Did you know that 68% of adults who lose weight with medications like Ozempic regain most of it within a year of stopping? That's right. According to a 2022 study in diabetes, obesity, and metabolism, two-thirds of people who shed pounds with semaglutide, the active ingredient in Ozempic, saw the weight creep back once they stopped the drug. And here's another jaw-dropper. Obesity affects 42% of Americans, yet only 2% of those eligible are using anti-obesity medications like Ozempic or Wegovy to manage it. So why is keeping the weight off so hard? And what can you do to beat the odds? If you're over 30 and have used Ozempic to lose weight, or you're thinking about it, this video is for you. We're diving into 5 science-backed tips to maintain your weight loss after Ozempic, with research to back it up and tricks to keep you motivated. But here's the catch. It's not just about the drug. Ready to find out how to make your weight loss stick for the long haul? Let's jump in. But first, have you ever struggled to keep weight off after a diet or medication? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious. Disclaimer: this is not medical advice. Always talk to your doctor before starting or stopping any medication or changing your health plan. Section 1. Understand why weight regain happens. Let's start with the big question. Why do so many people regain weight after stopping Ozempic? The answer lies in how the drug works. Ozempic, or semaglutide, mimics a hormone called GLP-1, which tells your brain you're full, slows digestion, and curbs appetite. A landmark 2021 study in the New England Journal of Medicine found that people taking 2.4 milligrams of semaglutide weekly lost an average of 14.9% of their body weight over 68 weeks, compared to just 2.4% for those on placebo. That's huge. But here's the kicker. The same study showed that when people stopped the drug, they regained about 2/3 of that weight within a year. Why? Your body adapts to the drug, creating a new normal for appetite and metabolism. When you stop, hunger comes roaring back, and without lifestyle changes, the pounds pile on. Ever felt that rebound hunger after a diet? It's like your stomach is staging a protest. So how do we outsmart this? Stay tuned for our first tip, but first, what's one thing you've noticed about your appetite after stopping a diet or medication? Share below. Tip 1. Build a sustainable diet plan. Tip number 1. Create a diet plan you can stick with for life. Ozempic makes you feel full, but without it, you need foods that naturally do the same. A 2024 study in JAMA Internal Medicine compared Ozempic to Mounjaro and found that 66.5% of Ozempic users lost at least 5% of their body weight in a year, but those who paired it with healthy eating did even better. Focus on high-fiber, high-protein foods like lean meats, beans, vegetables, and whole grains. These keep you full longer because they digest slowly, mimicking Ozempic's effect. Try this. Swap processed snacks for nutrient-dense options. For example, instead of chips, grab a handful of almonds or a Greek yogurt. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows high-protein diets can reduce hunger by 20% compared to high-carb diets. My opinion? Meal prepping is a game changer. It saves time and keeps you from grabbing junk food. What's your go-to healthy snack? Let me know in the comments and let's swap ideas. But wait, what's the next tip to lock in those results? Keep watching. Tip 2, move your body regularly. Next up, tip 2, get moving. Exercise isn't just about burning calories. It's about keeping your metabolism humming and preserving muscle mass. A 2024 review in Healthline noted that people on GLP-1 drugs like Ozempic can lose muscle along with fat, which slows metabolism and makes weight regain more likely. But here's the good news. Strength training can help. A study on obesity found that people who did resistance training 3 times a week preserved 90% of their muscle mass while losing fat. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate exercise weekly, like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Not a gym person? No problem. Dance to your favorite playlist or try a sport. Posts on X emphasize that exercise makes weight loss sustainable by building habits that last. My take: find something you love. Hiking, yoga, even chasing your kids around. What's one fun way you stay active? Share it below, and let's inspire each other. Ready for the next tip? It's a big one. Tip 3. Prioritize sleep and stress management. Tip 3 is a hidden gem. Prioritize sleep and stress management. Did you know that a lack of sleep can increase appetite by 24%? A 2023 study in sleep medicine found that people sleeping less than 7 hours a night were 30% more likely to regain weight after dieting. Stress is another culprit. Cortisol, the stress hormone, can trigger cravings for sugary foods. Here's a trick. Set a consistent bedtime and turn off screens an hour before. Blackout curtains and a cool room help too. For stress, try mindfulness or deep breathing. Studies show just 10 minutes a day can lower cortisol by 15%. I think journaling is a great way to unwind. What's your stress-busting go-to? Tell me in the comments. But hold on, what's the next piece of the puzzle? It's about planning, and it's coming up next. Tip 4. Plan before you stop Ozempic. Tip 4. Don't stop Ozempic cold turkey. Plan ahead. A 2025 article in Nature highlighted that people who gradually taper off GLP-1 drugs while building healthy habits are less likely to regain weight. Start while you're still on the drug. Track calories with an app, set exercise goals, and weigh yourself weekly to stay accountable. Research from Roe shows that people with a weight loss buddy lost more weight than those going solo. Having a friend or coach keeps you honest. It's like having a cheerleader and referee in one. Ever tried an accountability partner? How did it go? Share your story below. But there's one final tip that ties it all together. Any guesses what it is? Stay with me. Tip 5. Explore alternative treatments. Our final tip, consider complementary strategies. A 2025 New York Times article discussed minimally invasive procedures like gastric mucosal ablation, which can reduce hunger cues for those who've stopped GLP-1 drugs. Bariatric surgery is another option for some. Studies show it leads to 25 to 30% body weight loss, far surpassing medications. Talk to your doctor about options like Wegovy, which is FDA approved for weight loss, or even new drugs like orforglipron, a pill that's showing promise in trials. Combining medical options with lifestyle changes feels like the ultimate power move. What do you think about procedures or new drugs as part of your plan? Let's discuss below. But here's the suspense. Will these new treatments change the game forever? Only time will tell. So, there you have it. 5 tips to maintain weight loss after Ozempic. Build a sustainable diet, exercise regularly, prioritize sleep and stress, plan ahead, and explore alternatives. The stats are clear. 86.2% of people on semaglutide achieve significant weight loss, but keeping it off takes work. You've got this, but it starts with small, consistent steps. What's one tip you're excited to try? Drop it in the comments, and let's keep this conversation going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. And remember, talk to your doctor before making any changes. Here's to your health, your way. See you next time.